Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2020 Fast and Furious Mix K. I want to give a huge shout out to Fred from One Stop Diecast for sending this case over super quickly. Make sure to get these cases from him. I put the link in the description below. So let's open this box up and see what's inside. So the box comes with 2 full sets, and the cars in the set are the Aston Martin DB5, the McLaren 720S, the Lamborghini Aventador Coupe, the BMW M3 E36, and the BMW M3 E46. So let's open the first car. So the first car is Aston Martin DB5. Has really good card art. You can see the bridge in the background, and then the car. And on the back it just shows the car, and then the other cars in the set. And it also shows the movie that it's from. So this car is silver, then you can see the Aston Martin logo on the front. You can see the grille, the pretty cool rims, and this car's really clean. There's no any like decals or any tampos on the car, but still looks pretty good. Fraser Campbell designed this car, and we have seen it 3 times in James Bond's set. So next up is a McLaren 720S. First of all, the card art just looks insane. It looks like a real McLaren 720S from just looking at the card. And this is from Hobbs & Shaw. So first of all, the paint looks really good. Like on camera you can see it's a lot sparkly. It's almost like there's glitter in there. But the paint just looks really good. And then I really like the wheels that they used, because the first time that they made this was a Gumball Pagani from another premium set that I did. You can watch that in the link below. But yeah, the same exact wheels, but still I would prefer this other than just regular star rims that they use. They just have a lot more detail on it. Just I can't get over the paint because it looks really good. Backlights, the exhaust. And yeah, this is a really good looking car. We saw this car in Hobbs & Shaw, and it was funny when 3 people sat in it as Shaw was driving. So next up is a Lamborghini Aventador Coupe. Car's pretty cool, but the McLaren does look more realistic. And this car is from Furious 7. So the paint on this Lambo is matte black, and they also have the matte black star rims. And these go really well together. But I wish these wheels were like the ones on the 2018 Super, the Lamborghini Miura. Here's what those wheels look like. I think that would look a lot better in matte black. But still, this car just looks really nice. But it's gonna be a tough decision to see which one I prefer more, the Lambo or the McLaren, because they both look really good. Shaw drives this in this scene from Furious 7. The Hot Wheel was designed in 2012 by Phil Reelman, and my favorite version is probably the Gumball one from 2019. So the next car is a BMW M3 E36. This is from The Fast and the Furious. This car has a glossy black paint. This has some nice silver rims. It has the headlights. and then the backlights. I just wish there were like more tampos on this, but yeah, I know, it's because this is from the movie. We barely see this car in the Fast and the Furious. The Hot Wheel is based on the BMW E36 M3 race casting with a new tool. So the last car is a BMW M3 E46. This car is from Furious 7. So this car is white. You can see the backlights. It says BMW or the logo, and then it says M3. Then it has these pretty cool teal wheels. Then here's the front, has a BMW logo, the hood. They also use the Pagani wheels on this car too, just in a different color. This car looks really clean. Even though the wheels and then the color, like with the white, doesn't really match, it still looks pretty cool. The only time we see this is in Furious 7, and it is in the background when the Plymouth Barracuda and the Audi R8 race. This is a brand new casting, and we will see it again as an RLC car. So it was a tough decision, but my favorite car is a McLaren 720S. The reason I picked this car is because the paint just looks amazing. You can see like the sparkles inside the paint, and just really unique. It adds a lot of extra points for me, because it just looks so much better with this paint than it does with some regular glossy paint. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite car is out of this 2020 Fast and Furious Eurofast set.